Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
We're at the truck show. I'm here with Andrew Sulfaro. What's your name, sir?
Rick Sulfaro.
Rick Sulfaro. How are you?
That's my grandson.
Yep.
And how long you been driving? You look like you're pretty new at this.
I started off in a loader at 17, and my father bought 4 Macks back in 1973, and then I started driving Macks, and just about I don't know, 5 or 10 years later, Michael, my son Michael, bought a truck, and then he's been going right along. And then now my grandson Andrew, he drives for Cardillo. So we've been into trucks for all these years, and still going at it. 73 years old, and still going at it. I'm driving a front end loader right now, but no more trucking. I'm done trucking.
What's the best kind of truck there is, you think? You think Mack is the
Oh,
best?
I love Macks. I love Macks.
What do you love about Mack so much?
I was brought up with them, and you know, a lot of people don't like them, but I love Macks. Flew down to Allentown, Pennsylvania in 1973, and brought back 2 Macks, one on piggyback, and my father paid $24,000 a piece for them, and I just always loved Macks, you know. But there's a lot of trucks out there now, and it's Macks are kind of in the back row now, but I still love Macks, you know.
That's great. And this is your son,
Yep,
Michael
my son,
Sulfaro,
Michael.
and that's your son,
Yep.
and that's your grandfather.
Yeah.
Yep.
The 3 generations of truckers right here.
Yep.
What's your favorite kind of truck?
One that doesn't break down.
Okay, good answer. What about yours?
No, Western Star.
Yeah, you like Western Star?
Yeah, that's
You got
what
a
I
nice
got now.
Western Star.
You know, I like the Western Stars. I like the Macks. I like the Kenworths. I like them all, really. You know.
Very cool. What'd you bring to the show today?
I brought a 1988 Mack 10-wheeler that Tommy McIntyre bought, brand new,
Yeah.
and it's been a good truck, been a
Okay.
really good truck, and I brought it here today. Couldn't remember how to drive it, but
I don't believe that for a second.
that's my grandson Zachary.
Yeah?
He was helping me shift it.
Yeah, I was grinding the gears all the way down here.
If you can't find them, grind them. That's what they
Yeah.
say. We have a driver. He does the same thing. Don't worry.
No, I followed him the footsteps. I tried doing something else, but
Right.
it didn't happen. I've been on my own 27 years now with my own truck.
That's pretty awesome, dude.
So
What's the story with this Peterbilt over here?
That Peterbilt, Tommy McIntyre owned that truck, and it got put to sleep. It was in really tough shape, really tough shape. So Tommy wanted it rebuilt, and he never got it rebuilt. He died of cancer about 4 years ago, and he never got to enjoy it. So John Palmer, who runs McIntyre Loom Company right now, had it rebuilt, and it's in beautiful shape. The 1993 Peterbilt.
Let me go take a look
Gorgeous
at it.
truck.
Let me go take a look. Wow. That is a beautiful truck. Wow. You guys have some nice equipment. A lot of great history between the McIntyres and the Sulfaros.
When one of the co-workers brought the truck down to the grave site where Tommy was buried, took a picture of the truck in front of the gravestone, and out of nowhere a silhouette came up on the side of the truck. I know it was Tommy Mack.
Wow.
I know it was, but it's incredible, because if you ever saw it, you wouldn't believe it.
well, Mike, just to give you an idea, when my grandfather had Sulfaro Contracting,
Yeah.
Tussie Kimball and Tommy McIntyre used to work when they only had 1 or 2 trucks apiece. Used to work for my father and grandfather, loading gravel going to Roosevelt. That's how long my father's been around doing that kind of stuff with the big companies now. Used to work for my grandfather.
Wow. No kidding. And how does it feel to be a 3rd generation Sulfaro trucker?
Well, you know,
it's pretty cool. You know, I try to do the same thing he did. You know, I took auto body in high school and tried to do something else, and it just wasn't happening. I mean, every time I'd see a truck, I'd look the other way, and we all still do it. To where we're on the highway with our families and in the cars, and it's like clockwork, where you'll see us and we'll see a truck go by and we'll go, look at that.
I remember like when he was 3, 4, or 5 years old, he used to come with me and lay across on the floor.
Yeah.
But he like even if didn't have to leave at a certain time, we left an extra hour early because Andrew likes seeing all the lights on the dashboard lighting up and seeing all the lights in the truck. Even though I had to go sit somewhere for an hour, he wanted to make sure he get to see all the lights in the truck.
You know what the crazy part is that I still like doing that.
Yeah.
And I'm 26 years
You don't
old.
miss a truck, I bet.
And I always love like seeing all the lights lit up on trucks, new or old.
Well, what I appreciate about working with Andrew is he's definitely proud of the family name, and that you guys instilled a lot of trucking knowledge and respect for the vehicles in the industry.
And I'm not gonna lie to you, I put him through hell when I was teaching him how
I've
to
heard
drive.
stories.
I've
heard stories.
But I gotta tell you, he also put him through hell too, trying to learn how to drive a truck. And
And nobody taught me. I had to learn myself.
So you're the originator. You taught him.
now,
You taught him.
when you drove a
Stack Mack.
no, a one stack Mack, but
stick.
but
6-speed.
yeah, a regular 5-speed or 6-speed.
6-speed.
6-speed with a low hole.
Yeah. Truck would go anywhere.
Yeah.
Well, all right, guys. Well, thank you very much for talking to me.
Okay.
We'll talk to you later.
Thank you.
All right.